Hey Hornets, I know you're super excited for Unrest in the Nest week 3. Today you're going to be playing Scattergories, which is one of my all-time favorite games. I think my families and I have gone to wars, not actual wars, but we've gone at it playing Scattergories. So today, in your advisory challenges, you are going to be playing this game, which is a word game. So when you go to your competition room, your advisors are going to be displaying a screen that looks like this. In the left-hand corner, we see a letter. This letter is going to change each round. This letter is so important because this is the letter that every single word that you are going to think of has to start with. So for this round, if I was playing it in Unrest in the Nest, I'd have to think of words that can only start with the letter M. Now, the tricky part is I don't know what the categories are right now. I only know it's letter M. Your teachers are going to share a game board that's just going to be for your advisory. Round 1, I know is going to start with the letter M. My advisor, Miss Connor, has typed in letter M. All of my advisory is on our game board. And at one point, they're going to say go. This screen is still going to be up, and we're going to see that we have to brainstorm all of these categories that start with the letter M. So it's up on the screen. I see I need to think of ice cream, vehicles, things found in a hospital, items in a catalog. So everyone in my advisory is going to be typing. We can think of mint. What about those cherries? Maraschino cherry. They go on ice cream. I know that there was a category on vehicles. A Mini Cooper. So and everyone's gonna be typing in at the same time. Things found in a hospital. Medicine. Now, at the end of the round, you're gonna notice that a lot of these are gonna be common words. And when you guys are gonna compare your list, if Miss Connor's advisory and Mr. Henderson's advisories both have mint ice cream listed, we're going to have to cross that word out. We're not going to get points for that. However, if we're the only advisory that has maraschino, cherries, flavored ice cream, we're going to get a point of that. So the idea is to think of as many words as you can. All of you are going to be typing in at once. This will be displayed the entire time, and the more creative and the more unique you are, the more points you're going to get. At the end of all of the rounds you play, the advisory who has the most points is going to get 5 points towards Unrest in the Nest. The advisory who gets the next almost amount of points is going to get 3 points. So let's be creative, let's think of those words, and let's have some fun!